Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another video for my food and me series. Let me show you my ingredients, then I'll tell you more about this meal. For my spices, I have garlic powder, rosemary, cumin, turmeric and curry powder. I'm going to add some black pepper and some poultry seasoning as well. I also have onion, garlic, ginger, and one scotch bonnet. I'm going to use these potatoes and basil as well. The starch from the potato is what we need to make our sauce thicker, and the basil is really good with poultry meals. It also lower blood pressure. Unfortunately, I forgot to measure my chicken, so let's eyeball this and call it 1 pound of chicken. Right now, I'm going to cut the potatoes into some cubes and blend my vegetables and basil for the marinade. So for my food and me videos, they are videos of food that carry a memory and remind me of some point in my past. So for this curry chicken recipe, it reminds me of the time I was studying for my Cambridge A-levels at African Science Academy. This curry chicken was one of my favorite foods on the menu, and we had it once a week. I was the hostel and dining prefect in my school, and I had the advantage of always adding my favorite meals to the menu. So I had this curry chicken representing every single week. It's always important to drain as much water from the chicken when you wash it so that it won't dilute your marinade. This is my first time making this food, and I have no recipe but just the memories from my taste buds and what I saw in the food. So I've put in my blended spices, my dry spices also. I'm going to add some black pepper, little salt and some poultry seasoning. Then I'm going to mix all together now. I'm wearing a glove. I don't want to stain my fingers with the yellow color from the turmeric. I'm going to put this in my bowl and put it in the refrigerator overnight, or if you have few hours, you can do 1 hour to 4 hours. With this method, I don't need too much spices, neither do I need too much salt. This will go a long way. I keep my seasoned chicken and potatoes to marinate overnight, and now I'm going to leave it outside to come to room temperature before I cook it. At this point, I have my rice cooking, and I'm about to enjoy this curry chicken with some boiled rice. You can also have this curry chicken alone, and it's very good. Now I'm going to put in some oil in my saucepan, add some onions, just as a base for my chicken to rest on. I'm going to add my chicken first into the saucepan with my oil and onions, then add my potato and just add a little bit of water. When it starts cooking, water from the chicken is going to come out and cook the whole meal eventually. We are making a sauce and not soup. I'm going to also put in a bay leaf to increase the flavor. Cover this and let it cook for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. I use what we call in Ghana soft chicken, so it's going to cook faster and be ready with the potatoes all at once. You can even see it falling off the bones in this video. This is all you need to know for this curry chicken recipe. So for now, you can just taste your food, increase the salt. If you need more salt in it, you can add some pepper if you want pepper in it as well, and check on the water. If there is more water, let it boil for a few minutes, and when it's at the right consistency, you can turn off the fire and enjoy this amazing dish, simple dish with your rice, or eat it alone. At this point, I was so hungry, so this is where I ended it and took some for my rice. Guys, as I always say, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, tell your friends about Albright Loves Food channel, and also comment below what you want to see on this channel. I hope to see you guys again very soon. Hopefully I don't get lazy and then stay for another 3 months. So see you guys hopefully next week.